So continuing to built-in software solutions, let's talk about installed applications.
Perfect. So we just talked about pro settings. When you enter pro settings, you'll see startup services. All of these applications are preloaded. You just have to enable them. So one of the really neat tools is multi-display settings, which allows you to do a video wall installation with no complicated servers or video wall processors, but it's very simple. You need a source device, HDMI splitter, and then that content gets fed to each display. We support up to a 5x5 tiling. So it's really simple. I'll just launch it here. We'll take the feed from our source device, and what we can do is enter the app, and then we can start multi-tiling. So this is going to be feed 1, 2, 3. Once you're happy with it, you click apply, and then it'll crop it for you. Okay, so if we launch Bravia signage, what we're showcasing here is the use of digital signage using a USB stick. We talked a lot about our digital signage partner in that ecosystem. If you need a simple solution that you might not need over the network, a USB-based model is here. So we support playback of HTML, images, videos, and also background music, as well as creating playlists and different schedules. This is all done on the USB stick and, again, built into the display.
And this is a free app that Sony gives with the display.
Correct. Completely free and built in.